Alright, YouTube, I don't have a real good place for you, but let's use that saw right there. Let's see if it runs. This is part 2. Let's cut all that brush underneath that tree out. Alright. I may not film all of it. I don't have a good place to put you except for on this little stool right here. But at least you get part of it, guys. Alright, let's see if it runs. Runs good, guys. Runs good. Little carburetor adjustment. Let me go over. Look at that. Big difference. Alright, guys. Good to have my saw back. Yeah. Good to have my saw back again. Let's clear out around that tree and go on along there. Let's get all that out of there. Even got some over there. Alright, let's get all that too alongside it. Hawthorn tree. Yay. Thorns. Really big ones. Let's show you one of those. Yeah, hawthorn. And they are sticky. Big old thorns. Yeah, people think blackberries are bad. Get a hawthorn in your yard. I'd like to take it out, but kind of can't. Alright guys, thanks for joining me. Take care. Remember, if you watch, thumbs up. Take care. Bye-bye.